Welcome to this video about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a smart chatbot designed to assist you. ChatGPT uses artificial intelligence to provide conversational assistance. The chatbot can help with various queries and tasks. The chatbot can provide you with information on different topics. You can ask ChatGPT about news, weather, or entertainment. The bot can provide you with a joke or a motivational quote. You can use ChatGPT to set reminders or alarms. The chatbot makes use of natural language processing techniques. It allows for a more human-like interaction. The chatbot can understand and respond to your questions. You can activate ChatGPT through the website or messaging apps. Simply type in your query to begin a conversation with the chatbot. ChatGPT learns from every interaction to improve its responses over time. It uses machine learning algorithms to become smarter. The chatbot respects your privacy and does not share your personal information. You can use ChatGPT anytime and anywhere. It is available 24/7 to assist you with your queries. The chatbot is easy to use and navigate. You do not need any special technical knowledge to interact with ChatGPT. Simply start a conversation and ChatGPT will guide you through the process. ChatGPT is a helpful and reliable chatbot that is always ready to assist you.
Hey, this is Chapel North. Thanks again for watching the video. If you'd like to get more videos like this, click the link below this video and we'll have some more videos for you that you can watch that will teach you how to use ChatGPT for beginners. Thanks again. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.